I'm just going to show you how you can easily download threads from Instagram. So first of all, open Play Store or App Store. Here just search threads and click on threads. Here at the top we get threads and Instagram app. Click on it. Here click on install. After installing this app, just open it and we can connect it with our Instagram username, or it already has been connected. Just click on it and here it asks you to write your name, add bio, add social links and watch hour, or we can just import it from Instagram, or we can skip it. And here it asks you to select the profile, public or private. I'm just searching the public one and click on continue. Here it shows you your Instagram followings like this, and we can follow them in this way, or we click on follow all, and here just click join threads. In this way we can easily install or get threads. Thank you to watch the video. Please subscribe to my channel, and if you like the video and share it with your friends to